we are having a sunset stop, and all the vehicles they all come and just stop here so that we can have a drink and look at the sand dunes everywhere there. And there is the sun, and it's only 6 o'clock, and look at the sun, so clear. It's so clear.
Yeah, take our videos.
Oh, no. We are having a sunset stop, and all the vehicles they all come and just stop here so that we can have a drink and look at the sand dunes everywhere there. And there is the sun, and it's only 6 o'clock, and look at the sun, so clear. It's so clear.
Yeah, take our videos.
Oh, no.
And the motor keeps running using the solar power.
Okay. All right. That's
Antonio,
a man-made
that's a
lake.
man-made lake for the animals and plants straight up there in the front.
Yeah. And they are powered by these solar panels here. So all the animals, all the goodness me.
Can you get a picture and video?
Yes. All those are vehicles that are devoted, people that are having the adventure. So it's been great. I have seen the real desert. This is the real desert. I have seen it. I've walked on it. And you talk of sand dunes. Here, this is where you see sand dunes. All those people. For this Arabian adventure. I think how to do it will be my real desert. Driving in the sand dunes. It's a bit scary, but pretty good. This is the camp place where we've come, and so this is for smoking. So these are the, you can see, it's really beautiful. Desert. What people can do with what they have. I don't know what this is. Falcon. So look at the cars. It's in the desert. Look at the mountain of sand dunes. It looks like a mountain, but they're just sand dunes. I'm going for a camel ride now. I'm just on this. Oh! 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 Okay. Goodness me. This is the female toilet. So everything is catered for. Oh wow. What? Wow. This is in the desert. Nice toilets. This is beautiful. Look at that. Ah. Goodness me. You can do this in the desert. This is a desert. This is how they transformed it. Music playing in the desert. This is exciting. Can't believe that people can do such in a place like this. Damn it. Come and do this one. You love it, darling. I'm just having a glass of hibiscus tea. Finally, we are eating. This is the meal. We are so hungry. Yeah, I was fasting. This is my hibiscus tea, and this is my meal for tonight. one that is turning blue and red?
That's a hotel.
What? We're going back to the hotel. It's really been an adventure. A wonderful adventure for me.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like this video by clicking the like thumbs up button or icon so that YouTube can be able to recommend this video to many other people around the world to watch it. This is one way you can be able to support this channel. And if you have never subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And also, please expect to watch some other lovely videos coming your way from Zambia, Australia, and Europe. And also, please don't forget to watch some other previous videos on this channel from Zambia, Australia, Israel, Jordan, and Dubai. May the good Lord continue to bless every area of your life today. And shalom, shalom. Bye for now.